Another day, another Poshmark Q&A.
It's actually not another day. Pre-filming, I didn't want to change my sweatshirt, so you're going to see the sweatshirt in a couple of videos. I just put on a hat. Just trying to trick you guys. Even though it defeats the purpose, because I tell you guys I pre-film, so. Acid reflux. Oh, I'm not going to miss that, guys. Tums. I should do... Shit. I keep coming up with like video ideas. I'm like, I should do this, I should do this, da, 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 da. But I should do a pregnancy must-haves video. Even though I think I've done one of those before on my vlog channel, I'm going to have to look. But I was just going to say Tums have been, I think, a lifesaver. I think my acid reflux would be a lot worse if I wasn't chewing Tums daily. But it's the brand of Tums. Like, it's a specific type of Tums that I ingest. They're great. I'll do a pregnancy must-have video coming soon, maybe. I don't know. Let's get into the questions. Hey, Vanessa, can you make an updated BOLO brand video soon? Also, which store do you like more, Goodwill or Salvation Army? So yes, I will. I filmed a video. Well, it was kind of like a BOLO. Yeah, maybe that is kind of like a BOLO brands. I filmed a video that'll be up probably before this video, actually. So I'll link it down below. But it's a brands list video, A to Z brands of brands that I've sold before, and I tell you guys whether or not I have whether or not I would pick them up again. So it's kind of like it, but no, not really. I guess, okay, yes, I'll do a specific BOLO brands video, maybe like a 2021 BOLO brand video. How about that? Okay. What was your other question? What do you like more, Goodwill or Salvation Army? So I go to Goodwill more than I go to Salvation Army. Salvation Army has like some controversy around them. I'm kind of ignorant right now. I don't remember if it was about black people or gay people. I think it was about gay people. There was some controversy around them. I don't remember exactly. If any of you guys do, comment down below. But yeah, that was something that I definitely didn't like about them. But I do go to Goodwill more than I go to Salvation Army just because there's more Goodwills closer to me, not close to me, but closer to me than Salvation Army. Plus, I've never really found anything good at Salvation Army. And it's always really, really, really dirty there. Like, no matter what Salvation Army I go to, I just feel like I need to take a shower after I leave the place. I don't know. Sorry if that makes me sound like a bitch, but... It's just, it has like a different vibe. Like, I feel like they don't clean their things as much as other thrift stores do. Or I know, you know, most thrift stores don't clean their shit, but I mean, they at least do something. And I feel like Salvation Army does nothing. I don't know. Do I make any sense? Next question. I love knowing there's a place to ask questions about Poshmark. Thank you for creating this space. I do not use Facebook, so this helps. Aw, you're welcome. I don't know what your name is because your name is cut off from the screenshot, but you're welcome. Okay, my question is, can you sort your closet into plus or petite? It seems that something in my app changed and I can't anymore. Let's check it out. I don't know how I'd even do that. I'm confused. But yeah, I definitely... can't. If you search by size, select category for specific sizes. Okay, so let's do women. Let's do tops. You go to like a category, a specific category, you can choose the sizes. Like I could choose all of these, choose all plus sizes, and then yeah, it shows. I don't have any. What? Why is it just showing sold? It's just showing sold when I have availability for all. I know I have plus size stuff in my closet right now. It's not even showing all of my sold plus size stuff. What? I feel like the search feature within Poshmark is like weird. It's been weird for a while. In one of my previous Q&A videos, somebody had an issue about that. And then somebody on YouTube, which I figured out who it was, it's Macy, Blue Consignment. I'll link her channel down below, but she made a video talking about how there's a search glitch on Poshmark. And I feel like ever since they announced that they're changing their search features, like at PoshFest, they announced that they were, was I knock over my camera? They announced that they were changing search features, and I feel like ever since they announced that, everything has just been crazy, and you can't do searches. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe email Poshmark and say like, hey, what the heck's going on? Because yeah, that's weird. Next question. What is the point of Poshmark Stories? Do you even watch them or use them? So I think, personally, I think it's useless, honestly. I know Poshmark is trying to be, you know, like other apps like Instagram with their stories. Poshmark Stories, I've never once used it. I think I watched someone's by accident. I just think it's a waste of time. It's just something extra that you have to do. I don't think that it promotes anything more because of the fact that I don't think a lot of people use it. Yeah, I think it's just kind of a feature that they were like super excited about, and not everyone is like on board with that. Like, I don't know, if you want to do a story, go to Instagram and do an Instagram story there about Poshmark, because you'll get way more views than on Poshmark. So yeah, I think it was a feature that they were excited to roll out. They thought it was going to be a hit, and I feel like a lot of people don't use the feature, so meh. Okay, last question. Do you ever ask your buyers to accept their purchases? It's so annoying when I hurry to ship items out and it seems like the buyers can't be bothered to accept the purchase and release my money. So, I mean, have I ever? Yes. Do I do it often? No. I just think it's kind of tacky, I guess. I don't know. I don't know if tacky is the right word. But I agree, it is totally annoying. Like, I like to pride myself on my fast shipping. I ship same day or next day if it's the weekend. So yeah, I get my items out super fast. Hello, husband. Yeah, I get my items out super fast, and it is annoying when you don't get your money super fast after they receive the items. I think you have to take into consideration that a lot of people probably don't know that they have to do that, or I mean, they technically don't have to do that, but they should do that. You know, there are a lot of people that are on Poshmark just, you know, buying random things, and they don't know how the app works, you know, and they don't know that essentially they're kind of in control of when you get your money. So yeah, you got to kind of look at it from that perspective too, I guess. But there are definitely some people out there that are, you know, maybe just lazy or just don't care to do that. You know, that one simple step that says, I accepted my friggin' purchase. But on the flip side, Poshmark does send emails and a reminder on the app when you receive something to, you know, accept your purchase. But again, you might get that one person that's, you know, not active on Poshmark, or like a one-time buyer, and they never go back to Poshmark and they don't know, you know. So I don't know. There could be many reasons as to why somebody doesn't accept the item that they bought from you immediately when they get it. But I do agree that's annoying. But I have, in the past, I have asked people like, hey, you know, I saw you got your purchase. Can you accept it? But I'm never like, okay, I saw you got it. Accept it. I want my money. You know, like, I've never done it in that way, I guess. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.